Today is Sunday the 5th of November and we're looking at the German index, the DAX, from a Ichimoku Kinko Hyo perspective. So let's dive straight into the month chart, and what we can see is that we still have a green Kumo. We've got Tenkan-sen set above Kijun-sen, and we've got Chikou span just about here, which is below price, but only very, very slightly. So currently that is the only bearish sign that we've got on the month chart. Now the levels to be taken note of are twofold. First of all, there is Kijun-sen, which is set just here at 14,162.8, and Tenkan-sen, which is set at 15,480. No, let me have a look what this is. Just one moment, please. Tenkan-sen is set at 15,489. So I expect that price will be moving between those two levels of Tenkan-sen. Tenkan-sen is going to be on the month chart the first line of resistance, and the first line of support is where Kijun-sen is set at around the 14,162.8. So now let's look at the week chart. And on the week chart, we can see that price did break through last week through Senkou span A, which is the green line, which you can see, that's this line here. But in the last week, it sort of recovered and closed north of the Senkou span A level, but just south of Tenkan-sen on the week chart. So what we can see from this is that indeed we still have a green cloud. We've got a bearish sign in that Kijun-sen is set north of Tenkan-sen. That's a bearish sign. And we have got Chikou span operating below price as well. Now, interestingly enough, 2 weeks ago, it sort of kind of broke through Kijun-sen here, but then recovered. So if we want to get a lower low, obviously Chikou span is going to have to break through about this level here on Kijun-sen. However, furthermore, on the week chart, I can pretty well say that this is still bearish because price action is now taking place in the white area rather than in the cloud. But now look at it from a day charts perspective. And on the day chart, we can see that we have a red cloud. That's the red cloud. We've got Kijun-sen set above Tenkan-sen. And we've got Chikou span operating below price. Now, what I think is the most likely scenario, and I'll just show you that with some lines on the graph itself, is that we are seeing a trend line here, and we can also see that price didn't breach that trend line. And on the bottom of price action, I've also got a trend line. So what I am expecting is that price is going to do something like this based on this day chart, something like that, and then something like that. I expect that the Kijun-sen level of the month chart is going to be hit. So that would be around 14,162. Conversely, we might see that price is going to break through this trend line, and it will, and if it does, then it is likely to go up to this monthly Tenkan-sen level, and then it may even breach that and break through price here, and we're then back in a proper bull market. So, just to repeat myself, I personally expect price to hit that monthly Kijun-sen level. Conversely, we might see, first of all, a breakout from this trend line up to the monthly Tenkan-sen level, and then even perhaps a breakout through there. But there's quite a bit of resistance, and to be honest, I don't quite expect that to happen. If you like this video, please click the like button, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching.